Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
How old are you?
How old are you?
Excuse me, please.
Excuse me, please.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
No, I can't.
No, I can't.
I don't know.
I don't know.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I work in IT.
I work in IT.
Where do you work?
Where do you work?
How was your day?
How was your day?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
See you later.
See you later.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I have a question.
I have a question.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
I need assistance.
I need assistance.
Please be quiet.
Please be quiet.
I'm sorry for the mistake.
I'm sorry for the mistake.
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Can I pay with a credit card?
Can I pay with a credit card?
Do you accept cash?
Do you accept cash?
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 4:30.
It's 4:30.
What's the date today?
What's the date today?
My birthday is on March 15th.
My birthday is on March 15th.
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
It's sunny.
It's sunny.
It's raining.
It's raining.
It's snowing.
It's snowing.
I like your shirt.
I like your shirt.
Where did you get that?
Where did you get that?
Can I try it on?
Can I try it on?
What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
I enjoy reading.
I enjoy reading.
I love watching movies.
I love watching movies.
What's your hobby?
What's your hobby?
I'm learning English.
I'm learning English.
How do you say this in English?
How do you say this in English?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
I don't eat meat.
I don't eat meat.
Do you have any allergies?
Do you have any allergies?
I feel sick.
I feel sick.
I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
Call an ambulance.
Call an ambulance.
Where is the hospital?
Where is the hospital?
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
I'd like to make a reservation.
I'd like to make a reservation.
Where is the nearest ATM?
Where is the nearest ATM?
Can you give me directions?
Can you give me directions?
How far is it from here?
How far is it from here?
Is it safe to walk alone at night?
Is it safe to walk alone at night?
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
Can I have your email address?
Can I have your email address?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Can I borrow your phone?
Can I borrow your phone?
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
I need a taxi.
I need a taxi.
How much is the fare?
How much is the fare?
Take me to the airport.
Take me to the airport.
Are you married?
Are you married?
Do you have children?
Do you have children?
I'm single.
I'm single.
I'm in a relationship.
I'm in a relationship.
I'm divorced.
I'm divorced.
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
I like Italian cuisine.
I like Italian cuisine.
I don't eat spicy food.
I don't eat spicy food.
Can you pass the salt?
Can you pass the salt?
This is delicious.
This is delicious.
I don't like this dish.
I don't like this dish.
Can you help me with my homework?
Can you help me with my homework?
What's the capital of France?
What's the capital of France?
How many languages do you speak?
How many languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
I speak English and Spanish.
I don't understand the instructions.
I don't understand the instructions.
Can you show me how to do it?
Can you show me how to do it?
I'm lost.
I'm lost.
Can you point me in the right direction?
Can you point me in the right direction?
Can I take a rain check?
Can I take a rain check?
Let's keep in touch.
Let's keep in touch.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you.
Take care.
Take care.